and blessings. Welcome. This is the New Year's reading for Cancer. Hi, my Cancers. How are you guys doing, my lovely spiritual Cancers? We're going to be going in on your healing messages. We're going to talk about some of the healing messages that are coming up and left over from you for 2019. We're also going to go into some of the energy of your love and your romance areas, cover some of the career and finance areas, and just get some overall insight into the healing journey that you're going to be on in 2020. Okay, so for those of you who are new here, welcome. I am Ashante Tay Queen Fernandez of Gemini Holistics, and again, I'm doing these New Year's readings, but they're a general reading. So this is a general reading. It's not going to apply to every single one of you. But if you are looking for more introspective, more detailed information that specifically has to do with you, don't be afraid to go on over to GeminiHolistics.com and press the services tab and see some of our personal readings that we have there available for you. If you guys actually do book a personal reading in the month of January, you will be able to get a 15% off discount with the code ANGEL999 if you so choose to go on over there and get a reading. Okay? So make sure that you check that out as well. We also offer Reiki, many other services that could be very helpful for you. Okay? So check that out. I'm going to be working with 3 decks today. I'm going to be working with the Crystal Oracle deck, the Archangel deck, as well as the Romance Angel deck. And we'll be getting insight into those previously aforementioned areas. Alright, so let's open up without any further delay. Call upon Archangel Michael, Uriel, Raphael, and Gabriel to be in the 4 corners to cleanse and clear this space. I ask that you open up a divine line of clear and truthful communication. All negative energies and entities be banished to the 4 corners now. You're not welcome here. Ashe. Alright, please give me a healing message for my Cancers from 2019. Okay. Give me some insight into their career and finance for 2020. Interesting. All right, and let's get the love and relationships as well as emotional insight in 2020. Okay. And their healing journey. What's coming up on Cancer's healing journey in 2020? Okay. All right, so the first card that comes up for you, Cancers, is... I apologize if you guys hear any background noise. I live on a main street. All right. Okay, sorry about that. Again, like I said, the healing message that's coming up for you guys in 2019 is the blue Kayanite stone, which is letting go, okay? And it's inverted, so it looked like you kind of had some trouble or some issues with letting go of old things that were no longer benefiting you. Actually, before I go any further, let me go ahead and go over you guys' healing stone. This is the healing stone. This is yellow sapphire, and this is the healing stone for Cancer for 2020 that I've picked out for you guys. It's the energy of abundance. It's an energy of healing and clearing away old issues. Very beautiful stone, very impactful. It brings a lot of wealth. It's a regal stone. It brings in the energy of regality, of respect, of abundance, of self-awareness, of empowerment, and all of those different types of things. So again, if you guys want to work with any stone coming up in 2020, yellow sapphire is a good stone for you. If you guys are interested in purchasing stones, go on over to GeminiHolistic.com, GeminiHolistics.com with an S, and you guys can go on over there and check us out. And we have a various selection of crystals over there. But back to what I was saying with letting go. So it looks like in 2019, there might have been some issue with letting go of old things, maybe old habits, old people, old situations, letting go of the past, releasing that energy so that it no longer has a hold on you. It might have been difficult. It might have been some things taken from you that you felt like you weren't ready to let go of, or there might have been some situations that, you know, transpired that made you have to come to grips with certain things, whatever it is. Or you may still be in some of this situation where you know that this situation isn't good for you, but you're still there for whatever reason. This could be work, relationship, whatever. You might be being taken advantage of, not respected in the way that you need to be, or validated in the way that you need to be, and therefore you refuse to let go. What the problem is with this is when we hold on to old energies longer than it serves us to, okay? What happens is we begin to block new energy from coming in. So in 2019, whatever the situations were that you really feel like you needed to let go of, right now is a wonderful time to do that work, because the full moon is in Cancer. So for my Cancers, this is a really powerful full moon for you guys. The moon is in Cancer. Is a full moon in Cancer right now, and it's also an eclipse. So it's a really good time to start wondering, what do you want to let go of emotionally? This time is really impactful for you guys. So really meditate on what it is that you don't want anymore to repeat in 2020. What do you want to let go of? What do you want to release? And make that intention. Go ahead and set what those intentions are to release that old cycles, those old situations, those old issues that are no longer serving you, okay? So let it go. Whatever the pain was, or whatever that situation was, if it's not worth and it doesn't have any value, it doesn't hold the level of value that you need it to hold, or you're not getting the benefit out of it that you need to get out of it, let it go, move forward, and start making plans towards something new, something better for yourself, something more empowering for yourself, okay? So the next card that comes up is your romantic area. It's religious factors. It says your love life is being influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. This is upright. So this is a card. It can be positive. It can also be negative. It depends on what's going on. So for you guys, it's really going to be important that, I think Aquarius also got this card come up too, in this particular area. So religious factors is an indicator that your spirituality is something that's really important. It's really integral, and it's an integral part of how you're navigating in your relationships. There needs to be that connection. If there isn't that connection spiritually, if someone isn't feeding you spiritually, if someone isn't allowing you to grow as a spiritual being and become more enlightened and become more aware of yourself, and really helps you to, like, whatever your spirituality is, whatever that particular system or whatever that belief process is for you, if someone's not adding on to that, they're not really going to be able to be in your cipher in 2020. They're not going to be able to hold the vibration or hold the energy that it is that you need in 2020, okay, Cancer? So really, there could be some spiritual things also going on. Like if you may have like a soulmate, or a soulmate relationship, or maybe a twin flame relationship, or a karmic soulmate relationship. There could be certain issues around that as well, like spiritual things that are blocking you from being able to move forward, or spiritual issues that are blocking the health of the relationship. That's also a possible factor as well. But again, like I said, it's really about that spiritual harmony and that spiritual alignment. So really look for partners that feed you spiritually, that feed your soul, as well as your body and your mind and your all of it. Just have a holistic partner that's really going to come in and shift that energy. And it looks like that's who you'll be connecting with. Someone who can help you really navigate some of those deeper inner issues and those deeper inner traumas in a healthy way. Okay? So, what we're looking at in the career and finance card is overcoming difficulties. It says, Archangel Jeremiah, the worst is now behind you and you are surmounting any previous challenges. That's a really beautiful card, you guys. It looks like whatever the situations were that were holding you back financially or in your career, those situations are behind you now. You're really going to really start taking off and getting into some level of stability or some level of being able to overcome some of those issues that were coming up for you in the career and finance area. So it looks like that, particularly in 2020, is going to be something that is going to be resolved, something that's going to be healed. If it's not already starting to turn around, keep looking forward through this new year, because that energy is there for you to overcome some of those issues. So whatever issues you may have been having in the career and finance area, those situations are being resolved. Okay? So, and the last and final aspect of your healing journey for 2020 is going to be fairy stone fertility. Okay, so this means that you're going to be in a state of manifestation this year, Cancer. So really look forward to certain projects that you may have or certain ideas that you have taking off, taking on some physical manifestation. You might find yourself, some of you who might be looking to conceive, if you're a female and you're looking to conceive, or you're looking to, bear children, even if you're a male, and, you're looking into that energy, you want to bring forth life, whatever it is. It looks like that energy is there. So somebody might be getting pregnant in 2020. Who knows? All right. So, that energy is there as well for that. But mostly, like I said, if it's not a physical pregnancy, it could just be situations that you've been wanting to give birth to, things that you wanted to creatively be able to get out, creative projects, financial projects, career situations, career things, making moves, whatever it is, whatever that is. It looks like in 2020 for you, Cancer, you're going to be not only able to overcome certain difficulties, but you're going to go into a space where you're able to manifest not just slightly but abundantly. So there's a lot of beautiful energy that's coming up for you. I'm really happy. Hey, Cancer, get it. Okay, 2020 is looking like that year for you. All right, so really take that advice of letting go of whatever it was that you let go of, or whatever it is that you need to let go of. Really take that advice, because it looks like a lot of beautiful opportunities are going to pop up for most of the Cancer energy. Okay, so really, that's what it says. Clear, cut, and dry. So I hope that this is helpful for you, my Cancers. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it with anybody who you think may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. We're going to be bringing you more content, more information and insight. I think I'm going to do some soulmate readings for you guys this month. I don't hold the phone, but I'm going to try and get that out if I can for you guys over the next couple of weeks for each of the zodiac signs. All right, so I love you guys. I love you, Cancer. Stay tuned for what we have coming up. And again, like I said, go on over to GeminiHolistics.com/services if you guys wanted to book a reading with me or get more insight into some of the details of some of this wonderful stuff or this wonderful energy that's going on for Cancers in this upcoming new year, go ahead and use the code ANGEL999 for 15% off of all of the services that we're offering in January. All right. Love you, Cancer. Thank you so much for tuning in. And again, like I said, this was for Cancer Sun. I hope I did I say that at the beginning? Cancer Sun, Moon, as well as Rising and Venus. If you want more insight, go ahead and check out some of our other videos for your Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus signs, and you guys will get some more insight there. All right, Cancer. Love you guys. See you guys later. Peace and blessings. Bye-bye. Don't forget to celebrate this full moon. Peace and blessings.